It is always good to be seen on main roads, especially when you're on a bike. I'm Marc Kimball, and this is e-biking on the Kimballism channel. On this episode, I want to continue the search for making it as difficult as possible to steal an e-bike. My approach is to layer as many deterrents as available on the market today. My search has led me to the purchase of the WSDCAM Bike Alarm Taillight with turn signals. I really like this option. It not only hides the fact that it's a motion detector alarm, but it also keeps you a little bit safer on your e-bike rides, especially on main roads like these. So let me pull over to a quiet place and go over all the features. The system comes with a smart bike alarm taillight, remote controls and mounts, screws and tools to help install on the bike. Also included is a USB charger cable for the taillight. The first thing you want to do when you get this product is to charge it up. Some fast chargers will not work, so I plugged mine into my waiver strip with USB ports. When you turn it on, the left and right light flashes. The number of flowing left-right lights indicate current battery level. 4 grid lights is a full battery. 3 grids, 70%, 2 grids, 40%, 1 grid, 15%. Time to plug it in and charge it up. The remote mount can just twist on and off so you can take it with you. On the top left, the lock icons, is your motion detector arm and disarm button. Hit it once to set, hit it again to deactivate. The top right is all the 6 light flash options. 1, slow flash. 2, breathing. 3, emergency. 4, stays on. 5, side lights blink like hazard lights on your car. 6, turn the lights off. The center button is an electric bell. Now, I would not call it a bell, but it sounds more like a smoke detector. The bottom right and left arrows are your turn signals. I like that it makes sounds so you know it's working, and it reminds me to hit the button again to turn it off. I have to tell you, I really like some of the options on this taillight. The blinky lights and riding at night, I think it may help that people will see me. Because, hey, when you ride a bike, it can be a little dangerous. I'll keep looking around and seeing what other options there are available to try to find all these little nooks and crannies of these security devices. Because I know we all spend hard-earned money and we don't want anybody to steal our e-bike. So I'll keep looking, because I don't want anyone to steal my bikes or yours. Anyway, that's it for today. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel and all the comments I get. I really appreciate it. And as always, time to end my video with the Kimballism idiom.
Those backstreet drivers.